Hello Circus fans, it's only a quick one this week, and it's a little reminder to remember to do the things that bring us joy. I've been back to work this week, and that means that I've been spending more time sitting in the car, which has brought me two things. One is much happiness that I have been able to sing my little heart out really loudly, and I hadn't realised how much I'd missed doing that where I haven't been driving so much, because that's the only time I really let rip, is when I'm in the car by myself, or with Miz. To be fair, we like to sing together. So I've missed driving because I've not been able to sing, but also going back to work has made me realise that I have not missed rushing around, zooming here, there and everywhere, trying to be 5 different people in one day and not having time to stop and enjoy my meals, stop and breathe, stop and relax. So find time to do what you enjoy is task number 1 this week for your Serenity. And as we start to open up again, Super Saturday is today, everything starts opening again. As we start to rush back, be careful that we're not rushing back to the wrong things. Be careful that we're rushing back to things that serve us, things that bring us peace, bring us satisfaction, bring us joy. And some of the things that bring us stress, can they stay in the before times rather than us bringing them with us into our new and slightly different world? Have a good week. I will see you soon. Bye.